Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can delete duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, head over to the banking section. Click on Bank Transactions from the banking menu. Here, you'll see all the transactions from your linked bank accounts. This is your main hub for reviewing and managing them. Within the banking section, you'll notice several tabs. The one we need is called Excluded. This is where QuickBooks stores any transactions you've marked as duplicates or chosen not to include in your accounts. Think of it as a holding area where you can decide what stays and what goes. Now, review the transactions in the Excluded tab. You'll see a list with checkboxes next to each entry. Scroll through the list and locate the transactions you believe are duplicates. To remove one, simply check the box next to it. Once selected, click on the Delete option. This permanently removes the transaction from the excluded list, cleaning up your records. Keep in mind that once deleted, it cannot be restored, so only delete transactions you're certain are duplicates. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.